Good morning from the Ice Coast and welcome to Jack Frost Ski Resort located in the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill today. We're looking at a vertical of 600 feet. They have 20 trails here at Jack Frost Ski Resort. I believe this is the first commercial ski area in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. So that's pretty exciting. Excited to see the Poconos Mountains, my first time here. I know they got the Poconos Raceway NASCAR. If y'all are fans, they got the NASCAR Hall of Fame hat on. Went down to Charlotte earlier this year. Good time down there overall, good hospitality. I recommend checking out that museum as well. For today, it's all about skiing. Winter is the season. Skiing this year has been pretty good. The conditions haven't been good, but I'll tell you what's been good, the lift lines. Everybody's got the word out that the skiing isn't that great this season. And I hope everyone keeps saying it because the lines have been non-existent and it's just been wonderful. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to keep this endless ski resort tour going until they tell us we're not allowed back, as you've heard before. So let's do our thing. Let's put that GoPro on our chest and let's get ripping. Welcome to Jack Frost Ski Resort here in the Poconos Mountains of Pennsylvania. It's pretty beautiful here, to be honest with you. A lot of the runs are hippity hop. They got some nice little side hits on them, so enjoying my time out here. Well, folks, we're all wrapped up here at Jack Frost Mountain Resort here in the Poconos. Great day out there. Not bad at all. Conditions were better than some of the other resorts we visited so far. Give it a tie with Liberty, a 3.1. It had a good amount of those little side hits that reminded me of Liberty back home. So good time over here overall. Headed to Big Boulder Mountain now, so we're going to get out there and give Big Boulder a shred score, so it should be a good one. It's been quite the experience so far. Conditions aren't the greatest, but the smile's on my face no matter what, so that's what it's all about. It's all about the stoke. We know that, so thanks y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.